Hello my friends and welcome back to another boxer review. Today we have another boxer review from A Banana Cover. So this is their, I don't know, I always get the name wrong. It's a light blue, but it's not turquoise. It's the cyan? C-Y-A-N? I don't know. Anyway, so we're wearing their black pair. And we actually like it a lot. So let's go ahead and put on their other pair. Alright, my friends. So this is their pair. Now, I really like this company's boxers. And this is my personal opinion on why. So it's tight all around your buttocks. And everywhere is tight except right where your package is. So right where it counts, it's actually loose enough that there's freedom. You know how some of the boxers, they're tight everywhere and then they're just really tight there? Which those boxers are great for sports and stuff. But these are great for sports and just everything else in between because it doesn't feel like you're suffocating. And, maybe some people like that feeling. I don't. So, yeah, that's what they look like. And I like them a lot. Now, some people don't like the tight boxers because these are tight, right up in your thigh. They're still flexible and stretchy, so they're still stretchy as you can see. But they are tight. So if you're one of those guys that like boxers that are like really loose, like just loose everywhere, the whole boxer is loose, kind of like shorts, then these probably aren't for you. But if you're the kind of guy that likes tight boxers but yet not suffocating in the center, then these are definitely for you.